Yo, what's good, guys? It's been in today for new back testing again. I'm drinking some Arnold Palmer. It's pretty fire. It's tea and lemonade mix. It's currently 5:02 a.m. Oh man, that's fire. All right, so let's lock in. Let's get straight into it. So actually, I want to show y'all something really quick. So in our last video, the session actually ended. So with this, with the last session I was going with, um, damn. The last session that I was back testing on, um, it it uh it concluded. So here's what we're sitting with. We're sitting with a 44% win rate, roughly, with an average risk to reward of a 1 to 2.15. Now that is profitable. However, I need to get that win rate up. I need to get that win rate up, and I think it's important to recognize that the less trades you take, I feel like the pickier you are when deciding whether or not you should enter in the market or not, the higher win rate you will have. So I need to get this up. I really, ideally, bro, by the end of this year, bro, I'm trying to have like it sounds unrealistic, but I'm dead ass. I'm gonna have like I'm about to have like a 70% rate by the end of the year. Um, I'm just gonna grind my ass off. So we have this new backtesting sessions, a YouTube backtesting series session that I already made. I already lost 1,000 on it, but yeah, let's go. So that win rate's a 0% right now. All right, let's see. All right, so immediately coming in, I'm noticing this high. Noticing this high. We have these relative equals down here. Uh, this is two conflicting draws, but probably gonna wait until we take these highs above. Oh, we did take this high. Damn, look at that nice there's a nice long setup here. Coming down, tapping into this 1 minute. But it's a 15-second play. And the thing is, we have good draw. We have good draws as well. We have stacked highs, right? We have this high. We have this high. We have this high. Um, the long setup would look like this. You would enter after this close, after this for Vega gets closed. But the RR is just. I mean, I guess it's there. I guess it's there. But I probably wouldn't take it like past. I mean, after taking this high, I probably wouldn't take it past. But yeah, let's see if we get like an actual play. Okay. So to me, this kind of ton of liquidity down here. Okay. So let's look at this right quick. Oh, look at these equal lows. Market loves to draw here. It's a very good target. That's why it's in my checklist as one of the good targets because equal. I mean, look, we have this low, we have this low, we have this one, right? Look how it's like bunched up together. I mean, these are equal. These are equal lows that were made during pre-market. Ooh, I like this long setup coming up in here, but not with equal lows below. So I will be looking for a short setup after taking this high down here into these equal lows. Now you might be saying, "Yo, why don't you just short right now?" It's not safe because it doesn't make sense. Um, the model I use allows me to enter safely. by using internal liquidity as good break-even points. Um, man, oh wow. So we come down here, make these two equal lows, and then we start pumping. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Man, so where we are now. That was a crazy pump up. But I'm never taking this long in my life, bro. With equal lows below, I'm never taking this long. It just makes no sense. We're not delivering anything. We haven't swept any liquidity. It just doesn't make sense. That's a crazy pump. Um, my whole kind of point in doing these backtesting videos is to, if you're interested in learning trading, or you enjoy if you enjoy if you're interested in technical analysis, I do this literally I do this all the time. So why not post it for someone else to, maybe tap into? Um, I'm not really seeing any high quality setups that I like at the moment. Mm, I do want to see these equal lows get taken eventually on this day, but let's see. So maybe here's a trade idea. 5 minute gap here. May come back up, fill it, and then come down. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so we have this potential. Ooh, potential short setup here. Oh, this doesn't honestly look too bad. Um, fuck, that's bright as shit. We've taken liquidity inside of this higher time frame gap. That's the 5 minute. We are delivering out of it. We have a bunch of liquidity below. Man, this R is nice if it does play out. Oops. This R is very nice if it does play out. I'm curious to see how, I don't know how FX Replay records data using the RR thing, because a lot of times I'll take profits and stuff, so I don't know. Man, that RR would be but yeah, this is everything I want on my continuation model checklists. Price comes up, we have swept liquidity, we're delivering out of a higher time frame gap. There are good targets, they're equals below, we are in premium. Yeah, this doesn't look like a bad play. I'm gonna give it a shot. Looks like a play I'd post on the gram. Is it macro time? No, it's not macro time. There is no SMT. Is it a singular? It's not, I don't think it is. It is though. It is though. Price in versus gap. We're protected here by this low. It is a singular gap. It is. I mean, I guess it's V-shaped. I wouldn't really say it's super fast recovery. But it's a continuation model. I mean, look at this wick though. Now imagine the candle in real time playing. It visits this 5 minute. It doesn't, it fucking hates that 5 minute. Bro, it's like, it comes up. This candle was once all the way green, right? It's like, oh, hell no, I don't like this. It's like, all right, we got, that wasn't funny. We got equal lows, good draw, premium discount, delivery from that higher time frame gap right here. And there's semi good momentum. I'd probably rate this like a 3 or a 4, actually. I like this setup. So let's see. Oh, immediately stopped there. It's chilling. Okay, well, we just made equal lows again. Okay. So that's an unfortunate stop, man. I was honestly pretty confident on that one. Bro, what the fuck is this price action? Like making equal highs and equal lows? This shit's ass. I high key want to try this. The fuck, bro? All right, so we do have an SMT. I want to try this short again. This price action shit though. I want to try this short again off of this 2 minute close. Same confluences as before. You want to be targeting these down here. Same confluences as before. Immediately stopped there. Man, getting cooked on these. Man, honestly, even after those two losses, those two setups seem they seem pretty valid to me. Only thing is, I mean, I guess we aren't really delivering out of any like higher time frame gaps in the super higher time frames. I mean, those two setups, I'd probably take those in real time. If I'm being real. It just makes no sense for me to long there, especially with equal as below. Um, and with that being said, I don't really have anything else to say, man. Just like that, it's 12:05 p.m. That was really too. I mean, this setup was a little bit shittier. I kind of like this one better because we're just delivering out of that 5 minute and immediately close. Yeah, man. Nothing really to say there. I mean, I honestly like both of those setups. Um, guess we just became a victim to shitty price action, but it's all good. We can bang the next day. So let's do that. 8:30. Oops. All right. What do we have here? What do we have here? All right. So we got, man, look at all these trend line. Look at all of these trend line highs, man. That's sweet. That's very nice. That's sweet. That's the corniest shit I've ever said. But yeah, these will be my targets coming into the day. This would be kind of a nice entry right here if you entered on this candle, but kind of targeting these highs up here, but I mean, going into market open, anything could happen just like that. All right, let's see. Man, that's a crazy wick. Bro, this is so V-shaped, but there's no I like this long here, but I would be breaking my strategies rules by taking this. Because there is no There is no fair value gap here, but I still like it. I still like this play. Should we just take it? But don't tell anyone, chat. Let's just take it. Fuck. Imagine I wake up like early in the morning, right? I'm like petty about that loss I took the day before. I'm like, ah, fuck, man. Like I'm not trying to like. I'm pissed. Okay, here we go. There's break even immediately because we took this high. Looking for a continuation up into these because these are very, very good targets. I'm gonna set my trail right here. Nice, nice long. Only thing, I mean, it matches just about everything on my checklist. Only thing is, there was no inverse fair value gap for a entry, right? Now, let's just say uh, this wick right here at 8:30, let's just say that this wick never happened and this wick never happened and there was a clean, let's just say there was like a, let's just say there was a gap like right here and price inversed it. This would be a valid setup. Not only are we protected by this high that we can go break even at, but this is kind of the manipulation leg off open uh, that it's kind of obvious the accumulation. Well, I guess I wouldn't really say it's an AMD model, but I would say that this is kind of the manipulation off open sweeping this low while tapping into this higher time frame 1 minute, or I guess it'd be a 1 minute because there was no fuck that's bright as shit. Was there an SMT? Oh, there was a fat SMT. Oh yeah, okay. I'm fucking with this up either way, honestly. Without the fair value gap. But yeah, that's a solid setup. Only thing is there was no inverse fair value gap for me to enter off of. But price coming down, taking this low, tapping in this higher this 1 minute. We get a clean. It's still V-shaped, right? It's still V-shaped. There's just no fair value gap here. Not only that, we were protected by this low, or I'm sorry, this high. This high gives us a solid point to go break even at, to where I can safely enter. And plus, these built up highs are such a good target, man. So yeah, even after, let's check out our journal. Flashbang, bro. So even after taking two losses, losing 1,000, we just paid basically 2,000 back with one winning trade, which is fire. With that being said, I don't really see, I mean, if I took that win, I mean, these are good draws as well. This is a good draw. I mean, they're not as good as these, right? Like if I took a win, if I just took this win, right, I'd 100% be done. But maybe price wants to come down before it goes all the way up and give us an even better setup. We'll see. Ooh, okay. Um, this is where the greed factor for me comes in, man. We're not really delivering out of anything I mean, we have this, that's in the solid 50-minute. Let's draw the fib. Um, price comes down, taps the 0.5. I mean, yeah, we could probably take this, but only thing is, bro, like it's a fat ass stop. RR is not as good, but it's still there. I would probably have to go break even at this high, which is super, super close to my entry. So most likely a break even trade. So I'm gonna risk 50% of what I normally would. Snap a pick. Uh, let's go. I'm going break. Oh, wow. This is what greed gets you. Okay. Let's see if there's a SMC right here. Oh my gosh. There's a huge. Okay, yeah. Now this is a actually good setup. Holy fuck, bro. Look how. Dude, ES is super, super down. ES came like all the way down here if it was on NQ. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this one. Definitely gonna take this one because not only do we have now this high and this high to target, but we can take it to here because on the hourly I see this giant wick as a rejection block. It's kind of sketch taking longs in there, but we can always take profit and leave runners if we want. Let's go back to 1%. Bro, no, stop. I'm gonna go break even here. There's break even. All right, so we took this high. I'm gonna go ahead and take 75% off and we'll let the rest go. Holy fuck, what is this? Thank goodness I took 50% or 75% off. I don't know if there was some kind of news here, but that's a crazy candle. Wow. Very interesting. But ultimately, I see this to being eventually the external draw. With that being said, let's go to the next day. I've already taken way too many trades than I should have. We already took like 4. This will be like the last day that I do. So let's check our journal. So lost 2K the Monday and Tuesday. We made 2.29K on Wednesday. So we're up $292. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But I like both of those longs on all right, so immediately I'm noticing this high and this high being, man, that's a very choppy pre-market. Hopefully some volume comes in. Looking on the higher time frame, okay, so we've taken this high, we've taken this low. We have this 4-hour gap here. The price may want to deliver out of and come lower. We have this sell side. I mean, that's on the 4-hour, but I'll just take note of it. All right, let's see. So we are delivering at this 4-hour right here. No entries yet. All right, man. So we just dump it open. There's not really much I can do whenever it does this. You know, if it doesn't present me an entry, I kind of just have to watch price go uh, and try not to get FOMO. Mm, we got this order block here, higher time frame order block, but it just doesn't really make sense. I'd probably want to target this low for shorts. So let's see what happens. Dun, dun. We have these built up lows. Nothing I'm really seeing yet. Uh, all right, so should we take this short here? Fuck this British. All right, so we do have an SMT here. It's not like super obvious because look how like choppy this is. Like, holy fuck, it's bright. So 2 minute. We have a nice 3 minute close here. I mean, the thing about this is we're not like super high. We're not like super high in premium, right? So let's draw the fib. Um, well, I guess we are have tapped the 0.5, so yeah, we can take this short. The only thing is my stop's gonna have to be all the way up here, and also we're gonna have to go break even at this low, which is like super, super close. But I would be targeting this low down here. Um, wow, wow, wow. Wait, what the fuck, yo? This is crazy. Look at this SMT, bro. Bro, ES has come up here. Bro, ES came up here and took this high. That's crazy. All right, yeah, so man, that's a crazy SMC. All right, I'm gonna take this. Now you might be thinking, yo, your stop is like so fat, bro. It's a fat ass stop. Well, if we do bang on it, it's a very high RR. So let's see. All right, there's that internal low taken. Go and break even there. We have this low right here to target. But you might be asking, I think it's important to recognize, like, or to point out, why am I go breaking at this internal low? Well, because it's liquidity and there is a gap right here, and I don't know if this gap is going to hold. I truly don't. But by using inverse fair value gaps and internal, and by prioritizing internal liquidity as good break-even points, I'm able to safely get an entry. Maybe that gap does get ran through, or maybe it does. There we go, it held. So that's why it's important to go break even, because that break even saved us because we would have been stopped. But I'm still looking for shorts down here. Wow, okay. What about this long though? What about this long though? Okay. Now you might be asking, whoa, like Bennett, what are you doing, bro? Just like switching your bias, bro. Like you tripping, The reason why, um, well, number one, we are super, super low. Not only that, but here we have come down here. We have taken internal liquidity. We have tapped into this this for value gap is 3 minute. I guess you could call it 2 minute as well. Um, but the main reason why I've switched bias so quickly is because of the targets here. Look how price has engineered this side, and this side into kind of like a trend line formation, right? How it's like, see how this, I mean, if I drew it's not all touching, but this side, this side, this side, it's kind of all touching like that. And um, um, man, ES is tripping today, bro. But yeah, let's try this long. Let's try this long. Up into these highs. Put my stop at the body of this, and we would have to put our shit here. So let's try that. I like that. I think it's worth a try. And we can go break even at a solid spot as well. We can go break even either here or here, but I'm hoping that, oh wow, immediately stopped. All right, well, this short down here. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna try this long. I'm gonna try to target these sides up here. Now, why do I think this long looks good? We are super low. We have taken this low and this low. Only thing is, it's kind of awkward how this low is here, you know? It's like external low. I would much rather have price take this low down here before entering along. But the targets are super good. The targets are super good. See how they're all kind of built up. They're all built up, you know. So we lost 500 on that loss there. Okay, I think this is a solid break-even point. Honestly, I kind of want to wait until this high is taken for a break even. Okay, that's high taken. Okay. Let's see. All right, so it would have been nice to take profit there, but I didn't. So let's see if price continues to take these highs. Man, it's so chop. Very chop. All right, right here, I'm gonna take 75% off because we already took a loss. We can let the rest go. Oh my gosh, bro, I've been sniping the partials taken, bro. Like this trade's kind of retarded, but just because it's not going anywhere. Like look at this chop, bro. Holy shit, hurry up. All right, stop break even on the rest. Man, these days have been so chop. Okay. If you're watching this to learn, this is not these days I've done are not super nice to learn from, bro. Because price isn't normally like this. But I'm gonna try this long. The targets are kind of retarded, but we'll try it. All right, we've taken this internal low, or I'm sorry, internal high. And why did this one stick out to me? Well, we've taken liquidity, we've taken this low. We're tapping into this imbalance. I honestly wanted this to be the external draw, but all right, so we're stopped out at break even there. Um, but I'm willing to try this again because we just got this nice close, nice 2 minute close. Man, that's a nice 2 minute close. So I say we try it again and then just go break even at this high. And I mean, this is already late. This is 12:40 p.m. But I'm kind of already invested. All right, so we've taken the internal high right here. So I'm gonna go break even. All right, so That's crazy. In the beginning of the video, I was like, yo, like I gotta like start taking less trades, like be more picky, and I'm over here taking like 6 trades. Um, but let's end the day. We were able to manage risk effectively. Bro, it took way too many trades. And it's already super late in the day, so fuck it. I think we'll do one more. Like, there's these last few days, so shit. Like, dump off open. Like, bro, no. Like, let's get a let's get a setup to where we can learn from it. Oh, what is this? I got news. All right, so we have average hourly earnings. Oh, is it a Friday? It's a Friday, so we have NFP at 7:30. So let's see if it left a data high or data low. It did not. Well, it's already been taken. It did, but it's already been taken. Uh, so I'm expecting some volatility coming into this day. So hopefully we get something good. Looks like pre-market's moving pretty good. So look how built up this engineered liquidity is. This would be an example of the AMD model if you're looking at this on the hourly. We have accumulated low resistance liquidity. Price is manipulated to come up, it's taken this high. I'm now expecting price to come down and target these lows. But I could be wrong, so let's just see. We see and react. We do not predict. Mm -mm. Definitely like short. Oh, wow. Definitely like shorts here more than I do longs. Well, now that we have this built up, we could possibly use it as a target. Ooh, okay. Should we take this long? I'm kind of liking this long now. Um, you might be thinking, yo, like, Vinny, you tripping, yo, like, how you gonna switch up your bias like that fast? Well, because these targets are really good. I want price to move inside my trade, right? So because these are so low resistance, I'm expecting fuck this. Bright, bro. Flashbangs me every time. Gets me every time, bro. Oh, it didn't stop me out. It did not stop me out. Okay. It did stop me out. Man, these past 3 days have been so shit. All right, so we got this consolidation on here. I'm gonna try this long. Only thing is we're not really delivering out of anything. But this is I still see these as super nice targets. So let's try it. Oh my gosh, bro, every time, bro, it always gives me with that white screen. All right, nice. So I'm gonna go break even there. And I'm not gonna take partials yet because I wanted to see these highs get taken, and these are really, really nice targets. All right, so we've taken this high. All right, here I'll take 75% off because we're up $2,000. Bang, that's a banger trade. That is a banger trade. All right, so uh probably end it there. This is kind of I find it interesting how this setup formed at 9:10. That's kind of late. I kind of would expect it more to happen like sooner, maybe like 8:50. Um We could possibly get a continuation model lower if we do want to go lower, but if it just skyrockets, I'm really interested. Damn, some nice volatility though, for sure, for sure, for sure. I'll probably end it here on that banger long. Man, the short's kind of calling my name though. But it's just kind of retarded because there's nowhere to target. So we'll take like a little practice. I mean, I know this is practice indefinitely, but I don't want it to impact my data because it's not like a super good trade. All right, I would be break even here. So we're getting much lower, like much, much lower. But yeah, price starts making iffy wicks. I'm not really feeling it. But yeah, nice trade there. This video is not really amazing for if you guys want to learn, but I do want to point out how well I manage my risk even when taking shitty trades. Because I took a lot of bullshit, but we are up $2,000 on the new back testing session. Uh, if I'm gonna, I kind of realized like I try to make like a video like before I started posting all these, and I like took a loss, and I was like, man, like I don't want to post this in front of everybody, like see me losing shit. But bro, if I'm gonna post my wins, I gotta post my losses. Uh, so nice session, I guess. I mean, those 3 days we did were all really, really shit. I mean, including this day too. Besides this one, I like really liked this long. But the only thing is, we're not really delivering out of anything. The only thing is, we've taken a lot of liquidity and we've engineered these nice, nice targets up here. Uh, man, do I want to? Man, this video's gonna be 42 minutes long. Should I do one more day? I mean, well, today's Friday, so we can just end up on this day. We can just end on this day on a green week. Uh, mm, the short's not bad. The short's not bad. Honestly, the short is not bad. The short is not bad. The only thing is, there's nothing really to target, man. Uh, I mean, we can take a little practice. Let's take a little practice one. Might as well to end off the video. We would have to go break even at this low because there's nothing really after it. All right, there's our break even. Yeah, but there's the break even. So yeah, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, if you're just here to learn analytics, I probably would not use this video as a don't insanely study this video, because price on these days are pretty shit or moving shitty. Not the ideal price action you want if you are trading this model. I mean, what comes with this model, I mean, you have to be super, super picky on shitty price action days. But I know order flow motherfuckers are banging on these days because they can see the actual order book. One more practice, one more practice. Targeting this low. Doom, doom. All right, there's our break even. We have not taken the low yet. Not taking the low yet. Not taking the low yet. And there's that low taken. So nice short there. Let me talk about this short and why let me just talk about this, why this one I thought was better than this. Well, number one, are these equal lows? They have these equal lows. we are sitting inside of this hourly fair value gap. We are super, super high in premium. We have this hourly gap here. With this low sitting right on top of it. So this low never tapped into it. So why does this short look better than this one? Well, number one, man, I mean, entering right here would be cool too. Wouldn't be opposed. But we're sitting inside this fair value. We have left equal highs here and here. Taking a short, like there's not really like a short here. Like whenever price makes equal highs and equal lows, like it's not good price action, bro. It's not price action you want to be trading. But I like this one because we're delivering high out of that hourly gap. And we've not only taken liquidity, but we've immediately after taking that liquidity, we have formed an inverse fair value gap. And let's just say you're like me, you're a little, you don't want to risk, like that's kind of, I mean, anyone in trading this would be, should be picky with what they take, right? Because price is moving like shit. So even if you miss this entry, right? Even if you don't want to enter right here off of this closure, you could wait till this big gap is closed below. So that's why I entered right here, targeting these equal lows as a good break-even point and targeting this internal low as a good profit target, or I guess take profit. And I would not, I mean, bro, you don't want to be in trades where price is moving like this, but yeah, man, look at that take profit, pretty fire. Now why did I take profit here and not lower? Well, there's no, I like to prioritize liquidity because price likes to, well, doesn't like to, but that's how markets move, like liquidity. And I mean, past here, past this low, there's not much to target, man, because we've just pumped the rest of the session, right? It's very unlikely the price will deliver to this gap and then immediately come down here. Like what the fuck are we even targeting? Like it's just unbalanced price. I'm expecting price to fill that unbalance and continue its higher time frame trend higher. So even though that price is on the higher time frame is moving higher, I'm able to recognize this short because price, in order for it to keep moving higher, it needs to number one, take liquidity, but also fill imbalances. So nice short on here, man. I'm low key, this short's pretty fire. I'm gonna post that shit on the gram. But yeah, here's the journal. I'm probably gonna use the same session for this whole YouTube series. If you guys liked the video, thank you. Praise God. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.